Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you my earnings that I had made from freelancing. I have made this video just to inspire you and just to show you that we can actually make a good income by providing freelancing services. So this is the amount that I have earned in roughly 1 to 2 hours, and it is showing $24 because this website takes 20% of your earning and it is still in pending clearance, but after 14 days I will be able to withdraw these amounts. So there are a lot of amazing platforms to work as a freelancer, but I will recommend you to work on Fiverr or Upwork. You can easily make money by utilizing your skills in the right place, and if you want to learn the full process to work as a freelancer, then leave a comment in the comment box and I'll make the complete video in the future. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.